And the auditor of S Limited has been commenced and statutory auditor. Now, what should be the consideration for effectiveness of the system of internal check? The consideration effectiveness of the system of internal check. The term internal check is defined as a check on day-to-day transaction which operate continuously as a part of a routine system where the work of one person is proved independently or it is complemented to the work of another. The object being prevention or early detection of error and fraud. The internal check is one's work is being routinely checked by other person. That is the this work. The following aspect of the consider in framing system of internal check. Clarity for responsibility, diversion of work, standardizing, and appraisal. This is the four things. What is the clarity of responsibility? The responsibility of different persons engaging in various operations of business transaction should be properly identified. This person need to do the work. This person need to check it such a way the work is being allocated. A well-integrated organizational chart deposit that name of the responsible person associated with a specific function may be helped to fix up responsibility. So, what is the work to be done? Who does the work? Everything. Deviation of work. Deviation of work is the segregation of work should be made in such a manner that free flow of work is not interpreted. Also, help determining the work of one person is complementary to another. So, one work is not being deviated by the person, and he should do his work. He should not interfere in others' work, and he should not do others' work. It is suggested that the rotation of different employees through various components of job should be effectively implemented. So always there should be the change in the duty. Once work should be changed to another in the intermediate time, or a promotion by way of or given leave or mandatory or given or transferring one person to another department such a way. Standardization. The entire process of accounting should be standardized by creating suitable policy commensurate that then the nature of the business so it is strengthen the system of internal check. So every process should be standardized. So that will create the business strength and which also helps in internal check strength. Appraisal. The periodic review should be made of a chain of operations and flow. Such process may be carried out by preparing an audit flow chart. So how would the appraisal to be done? Appraisal should be done by preparing an audit flow chart. What has been prepared in it, the process, what has been done, who does the work, and who checked it, what is the organization, how it has been standardized. Everything should be in a chart, and everything should be in the flow. Everything will be in the chain of operation. That's what's said in the appraisal.